If Imran Khan was in power, I think there'd be a much louder voice for Palestine. I think if Imran Khan was in power, there would be a greater shift in the Muslim world that Erdogan would be encouraged to pursue as well. So would Malaysia and the like. I think that Imran Khan in those 3 years showed what the potential huge change can happen in the Muslim world. That's why I believe he was toppled. But more than anything else, it's not just about Imran Khan. What we're seeing in Pakistan is a revolution by the people to push back against an establishment, to say to them absolutely clear, Pakistan was not supposed to serve an establishment, it was supposed to serve the Pakistani people. And for those who say, Sami, but all this is Pakistan, what does it have to do with me? Ibadallah, I'm proof of it. I'm an Arab. The reason I know so much of what's happening in Pakistan, including the fact they kidnapped a guy called Osman Dar for 20 days. And then he pops up after 20 days on TV and says, Imran Khan told me to go burn military installations. So like clumsy the way they did. Why does an Arab know this? Because Imran Khan's message resonated. Why does an Arab know this? Because Imran Khan made Pakistan relevant to us. Imran Khan showed us a vision where Pakistan is a key part of the Ummah. And I, as a Muslim who resonates with the Ummah, I said, you know what actually, Sumaya, do you think it's worth going to Hanza Valley? Why don't we go visit Islamabad and Karachi? Why don't we go put our money in Pakistan? Imran Khan sounds like he's got some good ideas like to bring the Muslims together. Let's go and support him. We won't go to, Switzerland or the like. Let's go and see what Pakistan is like. He was shifting the way that we thought about Pakistan, shifting the way that we thought about the Ummah. And that's why, ya ibadallah, let no one ever tell you that words don't matter. Let no one ever tell you that symbolism doesn't matter. Let no one ever tell you that words doesn't matter, because it does, because it affects change and it causes a shift that results in a series of consequences that results in new opportunities. Pakistan now is in a battle. They are desperately trying to make sure that Imran Khan doesn't form a government. They tried to get the two parties who were the beneficiaries of the rigging to form an alliance. There are people who won because of rigging, who have resigned their positions openly saying, I won because of rigging, I don't want to take my position like that. Pakistan is in chaos. If you want to do something for Pakistan, go and tweet about it, go and talk about it, go and raise awareness about it, go and lend your voice to them. For wallahi, your voice is what upsets the establishment, because they've been humiliated so much so that the US, which was happy to see Imran Khan topple, has issued a statement saying that it's expressing concern about what's happening in Pakistan. They're not actually concerned. They are rather trying to leave a way open in case Imran Khan comes back to power. There's a chance that he might. But the Ummah needs to rally. The same way that you saw you can make a difference on Gaza, you can make a difference on any issue related to the Ummah.